This is an old Yale mortise cylinder. It's another one of the ones from, you know, the trade me and Nigby did. This thing's been giving me trouble getting it on camera, but I'm gonna try again. Let's see. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that was 4. Maybe that went. Hmm. 2. There we go. Yeah, that thing's it's old and it's crunchy and it doesn't open the same way every time. I basically had to start at 3, then 4, 5, back to 2, 1, and just kind of work those pins up in, and but I did eventually get it.